I bought the PR kit. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayn, and this is the channel where we pursue our best selves yet. For today's video, we are doing a review of Mae Layug's GRWM, or Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, and I'm so excited. You know why? I'm so excited kasi I got super tan from swimming. I started swimming again, and I feel like it's the perfect time to do MORENA makeup stuff kasi morena ako ngayon. So as you guys can see, I have my bare face on and hindi pantay yung kulay ko. You guys can have not pantay skin and still feel beautiful. Sorry guys, by the way, I am filming this under natural lighting, so if nagbabago yung ilaw, it's because nagbabago yung sun. Ayan. So that being said, magsimula na tayo sa ating Get Ready With Me Cosmetics review. So, full disclosure, I just want to say na I bought the PR kit. I did not get it for free. I bought the PR kit. And the reason why is, ito lang yung only way for me to get all the shades kasi na-sold out na. Tapos, I wasn't actually going to buy everything. But then, somebody requested dun sa last video ko na they wanted to see all the shades on my skin. So, ayan, napabili tayo ng PR boxed set. Please, paki-appreciate, like, and comment below. Bumili pa ako ng buong PR kit para sa inyo, guys. If you guys plan on buying the PR kit, it's 1,494 pesos. Pag dinivide mo siya by 6, it's 249. Ooh, she's a mathematician or something. Honestly, super well packaged. Ang ganda nung may pa extra security pa dito sa gilid. Now, ayun lang, paano natin bubuksan? That being said, I also just want to set your expectations, guys. If you're gonna do it like me, if bibili kayo ng PR set, walang mirror na kasama. This is what it looks like from the inside. Chaning! Simulan natin sa Cheesecake because sabi nila Cheesecake is the best shade daw. It also sold out. Sabi nila, nung mga napapanood kong reviews, the shade is on the cap, so be careful kasi if you don't have the cap anymore, medyo mahirap na. Twist din pala yung cap, hindi pala siya pull. Okay, oh, that's actually nice. If twist yung cap, I'll have a little more confidence, especially if I have to bring it with me outside, ganyan. So satisfying sa TikTok nila eh. So, ooh, very cool. Ooh, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Oh my gosh. That feels so good. It feels so creamy and velvety. And it also looks nice. And it's so good. Ang bango ng amoy. Now I understand why everybody likes Cheesecake. This is the kind of shade that I use pagka gusto ko my lips but better. Wala akong mirror eh. Mae Layug baka naman. Hindi ko makita yung sarili ko. Do you guys see it? It's like my lips but better. It really is an MLBB shade. Ang ganda niya. Yep, I would definitely wear this on like an everyday basis. Ganda. Kung ano rin yung excess sa hand ko, it's also what I used. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, I just found a repurchasable item. Okay, I love Cheesecake. This is not a professional review, ha. This is a review for somebody na consumer talaga. This is a consumer review. Ay! What was that sound? Let's go with Okinawa. This is another shade that somebody recommended to me. Sabi nila, it might look good daw on my morena skin. Did you guys know that I lived in Japan before? I used to live in Japan. But I didn't live in Okinawa, I lived in Tokyo. Sobrang bilib ako sa design ng packaging kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko yung spout, yung nozzle niya. Halatang pinag-isipan. This one is a reddish brown. This is what I would wear kung gusto ko maging palaban. Kung gusto ko maging kontrabida. I think Okinawa is a little more pigmented than Cheesecake. Oo nga, it is more pigmented. Mas madali siyang ang bilis niya mag-stain. I don't know what I feel about this. I feel like maganda siya sa selfie ko. I'm not so sure about the camera kung ano yung register, but I'm gonna put the selfie na rin here. Okay, I like it better sa cheeks than I like it sa lips. Kasi yung lips parang, no, actually, the more I stare at it, it's kind of growing on me. I just would not repurchase it, the color. Never mind, I changed my mind. I like it. Sorry, ang dami kong pinagdaanan na emotions, pero I like it now. I like it. Never mind. I take it back. I like it. What do we have next? Dito muna tayo sa lighter shade. We have Winter Melon. Ooh, cute. It's like a peachy orangey color. Love that. Very subtle. Oh my gosh, you know what this would be perfect for? This is perfect for the beach. As in, if you were to go to the beach, just gusto mo lang ng extra bronze glow. Well, I'll be going to the beach, so you know what I'm taking. Winter Melon. Ang arte ng pagkasabi, Winter Melon. Ate, pabili naman po na isang Winter Melon tea. Okay, next one is fruit tea. Tana naman ako, enjoy na naman ako dun sa spout. There, nice. Ah, it's like a rose color. It's so nice. Although I have to say, it's on the brighter side. Not sure, hindi ko alam how it would look like on my face. Pero dito naman, it looks nice. Sa camera ko, it seems a little pink on the pinky side. You know, I like the color. I just don't think I would personally use it on an everyday makeup look. Kasi parang, to me, this is a little more bagets. Ito na naman, the more I stare at it, parang nagbabago yung isip ko. Parang I kind of like it now. Never mind. I like it. Let's go with 100% sugar first, because ito yung favorite ni Madam Anne, one of the darker shades, or like the deeper shades. Oh, wow! I thought the Okinawa one was already browner, pero this was even more brown pa pala. I love that it's so buildable too. Na parang if you want it to be subtle, then it can be just subtle. Ang ganda niya sa cheeks! I feel like this is the most, I like this most sa cheeks talaga. Yung, the way it's diffused sa, parang, wala, ganito lang ako. This is just me as a person. I'm just this pretty. There. What do you think? Last one is mixed berries. Okay, and I'm guessing this is the red of the collection. Okay, that is a very, very bright red. Ito, honestly, ako kasi hirap ako sa reds because not all reds are flattering to me. So, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to wear this on my lips like the way others do. I don't know. Oh my god, sobrang taas. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Okay, ingat dito kasi it's very pigmented. For this one, a little goes a long, long way. Okay, honestly, I don't think I would wear this shade kasi it's just so bright na I don't think it complements me the way I want to kasi maybe it's just not my style. Hello, this is Editing Ayin. I consulted my friend Rika about this look and she said it was a really good shade of red and it's super bagay daw sa akin. So, what do you guys think? Kasi she's a makeup artist and she said bagay daw sa akin. So, I kind of trust her. Let me know in the comments what you feel. Editception. So now I want to show you guys what it would look like on top of powder. Kasi sabi ni May, syempre nanood talaga ako ng video niya, no? I saw her video and she said na better daw if you put it on top of powder. It's much more long-lasting. Okay, hey guys, so I've put on my base. So I did a little bit of contour. I added brows. Tapos, I also used, so my skin tint. The skin tint that I used is Issy & Company in the shade Brulee. Tapos, for my, powder? This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sun Beige. So, actually, before, this was too dark for me. Pero kasi, I got tan nga from swimming. For my cheeks, I'm gonna be using 100% sugar. 100% sugar. I'm gonna use Cheesecake on my lids. Tapos I'm gonna use something darker for my for my lips. Madali rin siya sa eye. Madali lang siya i-apply sa mata. Ooh, ang ganda ng cheesecake sa eyes. Okay, I'm gonna add something else sa lips ko. I think, let me use, shucks, di ako makapili. Actually, okay, let's use Okinawa on my lips. So this one, pinatong ko na lang siya on top of cheesecake. There we go. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. So there, this is what we look like. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me trying out the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics boxed set. And if you guys have any suggestions and recommendations, please leave them in the comments. Give this also a like para, YouTube knows that you like my videos. I hope to see you guys again soon, and I hope you stay confident. Bye!
No, no.